Hi guys, today I will explain how to withdraw money from Revolut. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the application, and once it will be open, take a look on the bottom of your screen. You will see three options: Home Transfer and Hub. From these options, click on the option Transfer. And here what you have to do, take a look on the right, you can see an icon New. Just click on it. And here you have to add your payment method by which you want to withdraw your money. There are a lot of methods by which you can withdraw money from Revolut, but I will use bank recipient, so I am clicking on it and enter the bank details. The first one is country, the second one is currency, and the third one is international bank account number. And then enter your first and middle name, then last name, and the last one is email. It's an optional thing. If you want to add, then click on the option and add it. And then the last thing is add recipient. Click on it. Then you can withdraw money from Revolut to your desired bank account. And it was the primary way by which you can withdraw money from Revolut.